Hi guys, welcome back to another easy do-it-yourself dog treat video from Wagmore Pet Boutique and Bakery. It's getting hot out there. We're gonna do some summer fun with our do-it-yourself doggy ice cream. So we're just gonna need a pad, a pen, a few items from the kitchen, and grab your four-legged ones. We're gonna make some yummy treats to cool off for this summer. Let's get started. So for today's easy do-it-yourself dog treat video, the doggy ice cream, we're gonna need peanut butter. We're gonna need some Greek yogurt. We're gonna need pre-cooked bacon. We're using 5-ounce plastic cups with lids. You don't have to use that. You can get creative. I know lots of places, Michael's or online stores that have the rubber molds you can fill. You can use regular ice trays. So don't be afraid to get creative when using your molds, your trays, and a blender. With my Greek yogurt, I buy in bulk. So I believe this is a 2-pound container, but again, most of them I think are 8 or 16 ounces, so don't worry about the size. We're gonna go ahead and pour the yogurt right into the blender. For smaller containers, like a 6 or 8 or maybe a 12, just fill the whole thing. But in my case, I'm just gonna do half since I'm doing a bigger quantity. Now we're gonna grab our peanut butter. We're approximately gonna put in 1 cup of peanut butter, your choice. Obviously make sure the peanut butter doesn't have any of those toxins that are bad for dogs. We're gonna go ahead and put our top on, make sure it's locked. Go ahead and power up and go ahead and use that pulse button. We're gonna do it for a good 30 to 45 seconds. And if you need to, if some of the peanut butter gets caught on the sides, don't be afraid to scoop it off the sides so we make sure we get everything. Put the spoon to the side. Reclose, relock, and do the pulse again. Take a look. Looks nice and thick like a smoothie. And we're gonna grab our cups, trays, whatever works best, and we're gonna go ahead and carefully lay them out and start the pouring. Now that we have everything filled up, we're gonna go ahead and grab our pre-cooked bacon. We're gonna grab some strips and we're just gonna go ahead and sprinkle some on top. Optional, you can sprinkle some bacon on the bottom before you even pour the doggy yogurt. You can stop halfway, put some in. Totally up to you. There's no right or wrong way to do it. Just have fun with it. Now that we have our doggy ice cream with our topping all set, I'm gonna go ahead and start carefully placing the lids on top. And for those that have the molds, the trays, the ice cream trays, just carefully make sure that you have enough room in your freezer and go ahead and carefully store them for at least 24 to 48 hours overnight, and we'll check up with them tomorrow.